हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू कोडिंग वर्ल्ड। सो इस वीडियो में मैं और आज एक बार हम लोग ड्राई रन कर लेते हैं डीएफएस का, क्योंकि पिछले वीडियो में बहुत लोगों ने कमेंट किया था कि डीएफएस का ट्रेवर्सल ड्राई रन एक बार और करने के लिए। सो नाउ विल ड्राई रन वंस मोर टाइम फॉर डीएफएस। ओके, सो लेट्स फर्स्ट क्रिएट अ ग्राफ. Let's say my graph is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, and these are all connected. 0 is connected to 3, and let's say this is the thing. Okay. So how it is going to do? So first of all, here V is equals to force. As you can see, this V is the number of nodes and S is the source. Let's say source is 0. So I'll at first I'll enter into this function. Now it is making a visited array of type boolean, and let us make also visited array. Initially, I have initialized all the entries as false. So let's say it is entry for 0, 1, 2 and say 3. I have initialized all the entries as false. Now after that I am going to call this TFS recursion function. I am passing this graph and the source and then visited array. So passing this graph, this source and this visited array. See, this V has been 4 has already been passed. Now I am entering into this. So here I am taking the graph, taking the source and visited array. So this is the visited array of type boolean. Okay, boolean means it can be only be false, or either it is false or true. That is the meaning of boolean value and nothing else. False means 0, true means 1. Now whatever the source I have called, let's say I am calling for source. Here I am writing, I am calling for source s is equals to 0. So what I will do, I will first make it as true according to this function, and then I will print this. Okay, let us write here that I am printing 0. Okay, after printing 0, I will in u I will take the neighbors of 0. So now my u points, what are the neighbors of 0? Let's say neighbors of 0 are 1, 3 and 2. Let's say 1. It can be 3 or 2, but let us take 1. Okay, now again now u becomes 1. Now visited of u is equal to false. Yeah, visited u is 1, it is equal to false. So again I will going to call this function. Now again I will make 1 as true. So I will make 1 as true and I will print that 1. So I am printing 1, and again I will call. Now from 0, say 0, what are the neighbors of 0? I am writing here, neighbors of 0 are 1, 2 and 3. Let's say we have chosen 1. Now 2 and 3 are in pending. Okay, 2 and 3 are now in pending mode. Control has gone to 1. Now what are the neighbors of 1? Neighbors of 1 are 0, 3. You can see it, 0 and 3. Now let's say basically neighbors of 0 and 3. Suppose now s becomes this. Now s becomes 1. After 0 the s becomes 1. Now let's say s becomes 0. So basically in u we are getting 0. So let's make it as u. Basically u is the neighbor of this s and s is 1. So 0 is the neighbor of 1. So in u we getting as 0. Now I am checking 0 is equal to false, but 0 is equal to true. So this is not done. So control will again come back to 1. Now it will call for its other neighbors, that is 3. Now u becomes 3. Now it will check for is visited of 3 is equal to visited of 3 is equal to false. Visited of 3, yeah, it is equal to false. So again it is going to call this and passing u as a source, and it is taking s as a source. So now my s becomes 3. But one thing, now what are the neighbors of 3? Now you can see that from control from 1 it is going to 0, and again it is coming back to 1, and now it is going to 3. Now you can say that 1 is now in pending mode. The task of 1 has not been done yet, because 3 has not been done yet. When 3 will return back, then then the task of 1 will be done. Now s is equals to 3. So make it true. Okay, let's make it true. Okay, and let's print it also. Okay, I have printed it, and now I will call for the neighbors of 3. What are the neighbors of 3? 2, 1 and 0. Basically 2, 1 and 0. Now in u I will take the neighbors. So the neighbors of 3 are, let's say 2. So we are checking for 2, is equal to false. Yeah, it is equal to. So make it true and print it. Okay, now my s becomes 2. So from control 1 it is control goes here, and from basically control from 3 to it is control going to 2. Okay, now from s is equals to 2. Now what are the neighbors of 2? The neighbors of 2 are 0 and 3. You can check it. Now it will check for, now in u, let's say the neighbors of u, basically in u I am taking the neighbors of s, basically s is 2, so I am taking the neighbors of 2 as 0. But if you see here, that is visited of 0 is equal, yeah, it is not false, it is true, so I will not enter into this. Control will again come back to 2, and now 2 will call for 3. When u becomes 3, it will first check whether it is false or not, but it's, you can see it is checking for is it is equal to false, but it is equal to true, so it is not done. Again control from 3 to control will again come back to 2. Now the task of 2 has been done, so 2 will from 2 the control will come back to 3. Now 2 has been done, now control, now 3 will you can say call for its neighbor, that is 1. Now u becomes 1. Again it will check if it is u equal to true, but see, u of 1 is equal to true, it is not equal to false, so it will not true. Again control will come back to 3. So 1 has been done. Now 3 is in pending mode, 3 has not been done. Now 3 will call for 0. Again we will check for 0, but it is equal to false, but in 0 we have true, so this will not enter. Again from 0 control will come back to 3. Okay, let us erase first and then I will dot again. Yeah, you can say now control has been 3. Now all the neighbors has been done, so the control 3 will control 3 will give the control to its parent, that is parent is you can say parent is 1. Yeah, 0 has been done, 3 has been done. Now control from 3 the control comes back to 1, and 1 will give the control to 0. Now 0 will call for its another neighbor, that is 2, but see 2 is also true, so 2 again going to give the control back to 0, and now 0 will call again its neighbor, that is 3, but 3 is also been done, so again it will give to control back to 3. Now 0, all the neighbors has been visited, so control will give to this function. Now this function will give the control to this function, that is DFS function, and we are done. And you can see that 0 1 3 2, we have only 4 neighbors, 0 1 3 and 2. So in this way it is going to execute. I strongly recommend you to draw this recursion tree by yourself, so that you can get the concept, with a very good concept you can get it, and you can also practice it by yourself.